Welcome to Brain Vision.
As shown in figure, 550-volt feeder supplies an industrial plant consisting of the drawing 60 kilowatt at 0.75 power factor, inductive, a capacitor with the rating 20 kVAR, and the lighting drawing 20 kilowatt. Then calculate the total reactive power and apparent power absorbed by the plant. B. Determine the overall power factor. C. Find the current in the feeder line. The circuit is like the voltage source is 550 volt. Here is connected 60 kilowatt and power factor 0.75. The capacitor connected is 20 kVAR with reading, and here is the 20 kilowatt. Apparent power drawn by the motor A Sm is equals to Pm by cos theta. This is equals to 60 into 10 raised to the power 3 divided by 0.75, and the value is 80 kVA. Qm value is equals to square root of Sm square minus P square. 80 square minus 60 square is 52.925 kVAR. Now total real power is equals to P equals Pm plus Pc plus Pl, that is motor, capacitor and the inductor. 60 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 0 plus 20 into 10 raised to the power 3, that is total is 80 kilowatt. Now total reactive power is equals to Qm plus Qc plus Ql is equals to 52.915 into 10 raised to the power 3 minus 20 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 0, and the total is 32.91 kVAR. The total apparent power is equals to under root of P square plus Q square. This is equals to square root of 80 into 10 raised to the power 3 whole square plus 32.91 into 10 raised to the power 3 whole square, and the value for this total apparent power is 86.51 kilo ampere. Now for B part, finding the overall power factor, which is equals to P by S, 80 into 10 raised to the power 3 divided by 86.51 into 10 raised to the power 3 is equals to 0.9248. For C part, finding the current drawn, I equals S by V, which is equals to 86510 divided by 550, and so the current drawn is 157.3 ampere.